Hey, today we're going to be announcing the winner of the Celestion giveaway, plus so much more. We just finished up our annual Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales, but if you're still looking for gifts, the holiday gift guide is available right now with lots of great ideas and markdown products for you and your family. Speaking of great gift ideas, I can think of 3 right off the top of my head. If you don't know about these hybrid tube amplifiers from Dayton Audio, you should look into them. Great quality, high-end sound, new school connectivity, yet old school looks and design. The link's in the description, so head over right away. You know, one way to get someone a gift that's exactly what they're looking for is to let them decide. Parts Express offers gift certificates in various amounts, which makes it easy when you're not as well versed in audio and electronics as your special someone. Grab a gift certificate today. Now let's announce the winner of the compact array drivers from Celestion. A prize worth over $255 is up for grabs, and the winner is Kirk K. from Loveland, Colorado. Congratulations, Kirk. We'll be in touch soon. This month, we're going to do another shopping spree. $250 of Parts Express credit goes to the winner, so after shopping for everyone else in your life, it's time to get some gear for yourself. Good luck, and we'll see you in January.